Number 1. Affiliate marketing, a wealth equalizer. Website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their website or social media account. It has grown into massive platforms for those looking to build a following and promote their products. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because you can earn money simply by adding a link to your website or social media account. In reality, you won't make any money if you can't get readers or viewers to click on the link and buy something. However, this is an incredible opportunity with a minimum investment that can really jumpstart your path to wealth. As you see, there are specific purchases and investments that the wealthy buy to keep them ahead. Much like Elon Musk did with his first purchase. There are always opportunities to take advantage of and have success with if we are selective and smart with our money. It's important that we start to emulate these purchases to make sure our path to wealth is primed for success. So whether it's making wiser choices in automobile purchases or reading the right type of books, we also need to start investing in stocks or even just in ourselves. The goal is to have a conscious, well-thought-out process behind any type of purchase. This is what the wealthy have instilled in them early on and something we should really analyze. And if you found this information educational, you should really further your knowledge by watching this next video where we detail the 5 untold habits of the wealthy that the average person doesn't do and take a closer look at the frugal ways of Mark Zuckerberg. I'll see you over there.